Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make some of the best dressing you've ever had. This is my French-inspired blue cheese vinaigrette. I am addicted to it. It is over the top, but super easy. All right, let's cook, y'all, because you're going to like this one. Hey, stay out of my cheese. Bladen's in here trying to help by eating all my ingredients. All right, so I've been doing some traveling lately and had a blast, came back absolutely thrilled with some new flavors and tastes and experiences I had, including something very similar to what I'm gonna do right here. So this is a Parisian-inspired blue cheese vinaigrette. So easy. I loved the really bright, popping, fresh salads that we had, even at breakfast, you know, all the time. And absolutely became addicted to this dressing. Okay, so we're gonna start with half a cup of olive oil. And because I'm East Tennessee, we gotta have a mason jar down there. Might be French inspired, but true to our roots. All right, and then a couple tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And the rest of this is super easy. So a couple of minced cloves of garlic, about a teaspoon of dried oregano, about half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. That's kosher salt, yo. Mine's the kosher salt. And then what Bladen was over here trying to get into was blue cheese crumbles. If you have access to one of the nicer grocery stores with lots of cheese, you know, the good high-end cheeses, then experiment with some of the blue cheeses. I like a Maytag. I think those are beautiful. This, however, so a couple ounces. This is just the cheap supermarket blue cheese crumbles. Seriously. It's even sold as blue cheese crumbles. All right. You know, even bad blue cheese is pretty good. All right, so all of our ingredients are in here. And this is more than we need for this particular salad, but you want to dress your salads fresh, right? Super shake. Okay. And then this is a mesclun mix. I love it. It's beautiful, fresh, bright flavor. And you shake your dressing until you've got a good emulsion on it. And then lightly dress your salad. I've been eating these salads for breakfast and lunch for almost the past month. I can't get enough of them. They are that good. All right, so give it a taste. Little black pepper, and then just the tiniest hint, because we seasoned our salad, or we seasoned our dressing, but not our greens. And that, y'all, is the perfect blue cheese vinaigrette. That took what? 3 minutes and 6 seconds. But it tastes like $1 million. Oh yeah.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.